What if the government could check your phones, emails, and cloud just like your cupboards or locker? Sounds scary, right? But that's what the new Income Tax Bill 2025 might allow. Do you know what the Income Tax Bill 2025 actually is? Let me explain it for you in simple words. The Income Tax Bill 2025 is a new proposal in Parliament that allows tax officers to not only search your home or office, but also your virtual digital place like your Google Drives, WhatsApp, email, and even your cloud storage during tax investigation. That means your entire phone, charts, private photos, and even your personal notes can be looked into if you're just suspected for wrongdoing. So, what's the real issue here is earlier only physical spaces could be searched if there any suspicion of hidden money or assets. But now, if passed, this law could allow to access your digital world, your private messages, your medical records, your client confidential info, and even journalist unpublished articles. This shift raises serious questions about privacy and freedom. Imagine just being suspected to a tax issue, they can check your entire phone. And most importantly, privacy is the fundamental right under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. This bill, if not properly restricted, this can be misused. It opened doors to unregulated digital surveillances, which directly violates the right. What if someone gets your mental health reports and your therapies and your financial struggles? Shouldn't that remain private unless you are proven guilty? I'll give an example for you. Let's say you are a journalist. You have a confidential info on your laptop. If tax officers access that under this rule, even if you are not guilty, they will expose your sources and work. Think about doctors, lawyers, and therapists. They all hold sensitive data. It's like using a bomb to catch a fly. Too much power, not enough protection. If this happens to you, who will protect your privacy? Are you aware what are the legal experts are saying? Legal experts warn this violates privacy rights. Even courts have said that digital privacy needs higher protection because phones and clouds hold our entire lives today. In the famous case Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India, the Supreme Court said any intrusion into privacy must pass 4-part proportionality test: legal backing, clear public purpose, necessity, and least intrusive method. But still, this bill skips that. It allows unchecked digital access without strong legal filters. But here's the contradiction. This bill is supposed to bring clarity and modernize tax law. But it goes against what the Constitution and courts stand for. Do you know what's need to be done? The solution is not to stop digital investigation completely, but to ensure safeguards like judicial approval or warrant, clear limits on what data can be accessed, transparent guidelines, and audit trails for accountability. Protecting the nation's economy and catching the tax evaders is necessary. But so is protecting every citizen's right to privacy, whether the rich or poor, guilty or innocent. So let me ask you, should your entire phone be open for inspection without any warrant? Should private health or family information be taken in the name of tax search? Would you feel safe knowing any officer entering your digital life just based on suspicion? Think about it. Being a law-abiding citizen doesn't mean giving up your rights. Privacy is not a privilege, it's your constitutional right. Speak up, stay informed, and ask, is this law protecting us or exposing us? If you found this explanation helpful, please share with your friends and comment down below what you're thinking. Thank you.